विसाप्रणेवकार शेनवारा भाजपान पत्रकार परिशद घेवन काँग्रेसीन राज्यपालाची जी भेट घेतल्या ताचो निषेध केला. भाजपान जो निषेध केला ताच्या वयल्यान दिसता की भाजप लोकशाये बाबतीत जागृत ना म्हण वक्तव्य काँग्रेसीचो म्हणयारो ॲडव्होकेट यतीश नायकान केला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
बीजेपीन एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स काल घेतली आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या वतीन तांचो खासदार दक्षिण गोंयचो नरेंद्र सावयकार आणि उत्तर गोंयचो श्रीपाद नाईक हे दोग जाणांनी भाष्य केले. आता तांणी जे क्रिटिसिझम आमी गव्हर्नराक मेळ्ळे ताजेर केले that is unfounded criticism. It is without any basis. आमी गव्हर्नराचे दोळे उक्ते करपा खातीर मेळ्ळे आणि in a democracy if submitting a memorandum to the governor is being criticized by the BJP, it only means they do not know how institutions have to be, you see, how democracy works. If they are criticizing us for meeting the governor and handing over a memorandum and telling the governor to do something that is constitutionally required of her to be done, and if they are criticizing us for this, it means BJP doesn't believe in democracy, is unaware about what democracy is, and they are only showing this. They have shown it in Karnataka, they are showing it in India, they have shown it in Goa, and by criticizing us yesterday, they have shown it once again in Goa that they do not have any regard for democracy. But BJP मरे तांका क्रिटिसाइज करपाक तांका मुद्दे ना. आमचो एक आमदार हॉस्पिटलान आसा, he was operated, Mr. Fernandez. Is in Manipal hospital and he is recuperating out of a medical procedure. One MLA, Mrs. Montserrat, she is out of country, and one MLA, Shri Shirodkar, was in Bombay for the admission of his son. You see, so what are they talking? Therefore, I said what they talk, what BJP talks, is hollow. Even if it is worth reacting to, we could have reacted on that allegation. It's not even worth reacting because this is the fact. Somebody is in hospital, somebody is out of country, somebody is gone for his son's admission. What are they talking?